Time for a road. Today we are doing we're probably going to East Coast Park and TMCR. It's pretty chill ride, I would say. Probably a zone 2 ride. Hopefully it's a zone 2 ride. So yeah, and not gonna lie, it seems pretty cloudy. It's super cloudy, so yeah. Hopefully it stays like that. It is 2026 and this is the first ride. Let's go! We're on the way to meet my buddy Hongzhou. He's there. He reached. And I'm reaching. I am tired. 5 hours of sleep is definitely not enough. God damn. Good morning, sir. Today chill ride.
Anything below 35
Below 30 ba. Easier.
anything below 35.
Oh, 35 my heart rate already gone already bro. How is that zone 2? TMCR now. Oh fuck, actually wrong. It's a free ride right here. The DRS train, you know. Very nice. Got the taping.
No spicy.
Hey. I just took a shower, so now it's time for a bike review. So over here, we got the Scott Addict 30 2022 version in Prism Grey. I don't know why is it Prism Grey. There's nothing grey about this. But yeah, this is a size S Scott Addict frame set from 2022 and endurance geometry frame set. So over here we have the full 105 group set, as you can see. Over here at the top I have the, I don't know, some prime alloy bars. They are 38mm wide, 38 cm wide. It takes some time to get used to, because last time I was using a 40 and now I'm using a 38. So over here we have the GUI bar tape. I'll say it's pretty comfortable, but one downside is it gets a bit slippery when it's wet. So yeah, the saddle I also changed it out for a Selle Italia STR Carbonio saddle. So it's a full carbon saddle. Yeah, I really like the shape of it. I just took this out from my previous bike and put it on. Yeah. What next? We have the wheel set. The wheel set is a Magene Exar DB405 Ultra. It's a mouthful. I just got this wheel set quite recently. Previously I was using a Shimano 105 wheel set. This is the, if I'm not wrong, the 2024 version, 40 at the front, 45 at the back. And then I'm running tubeless as well with GP5000 STR 30mm tires. It came with it, so I just used it. So more about this wheel set. It has 36 tooth star ratchet, and this wheel set has carbon spokes, so it's a bit more stiff, but thankfully the 30mm tires and the tubeless made it more compliant and more comfortable. One more thing is this 105 RD. This is a R7000 group set, so it's a fully mechanical group set. I've upgraded the jockey wheels, so I decided to went with from a company called Stone. I got it from AliExpress. I would say it's a lot smoother, and I decided to go in with one that is slightly bigger, so it's more of like a OSPW, like a budget version. Oh yeah, and the rotors, I didn't like the look of the 105 rotors, so I decided to went ahead and got these AliExpress 6-bolt rotors. Yeah, they are 160 at the front and 160 at the back. I have Supercast border cage. Oh, chain. I'm using a KMC wax chain. It's their own technology, so you don't have to dip in a crock pot or whatever. You just drip on the wax and then let it dry. That's it. And I got this bike for 2.1. Yeah, and I put in a total of like less than 1,000 worth of upgrades to change this bike to what it is now. The next thing I'm gonna upgrade is probably the crank. I'm probably gonna get a carbon crank from like AliExpress to try it out, because I do want to try shorter cranks. These are currently 172.5. I'm planning to go 167.5. Just try it out. And yeah, that's about it. So see you guys in the next video.